Now I am going to cover how to use SMTP credential for LC email dedicated domains. Go High Level introduces new features called SMTP credentials. User can now generate unique SMTP credential specifically for their dedicated sending domain. This ensures secure and authenticated access for sending emails via SMTP server. Setting up Setting up SMTP credential for dedicated sending domain is straightforward and user-friendly. Our intuitive interface guides you through the process, making integration with warm-up services hassle-free. First, go to Go High Level sub-account, then click Settings. Next, navigate Email Services. Just click Dedicated Domain. Here you can see the dedicated domain. Just click on three dots. It will open a pop-up menu. Just click SMTP settings. Here you can see the SMTP credential for the dedicated domain. If you want, you can create a new SMTP user. To create a new SMTP user, just click this button. It will open a pop-up window where you can give the required information. Then click Create button to create a new SMTP credentials. If you want, you can reset a password. Just click on it. It will open a new window. Here you can give your new password. Just click Reset Password button to save the records. The next one is delete. If you want to delete this user, you can delete it. Just clicking this delete link, it will open a pop-up. Here you have to give the confirmation. Once you click the delete button, it will delete the record. This is the way you can use SMTP credential for LC email dedicated domains. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.